Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most important Greeks in options trading, theta. If you've ever wondered why your options lose value over time, stick around. We're going to keep this super simple. First, what exactly is theta? In options trading, theta measures how much an options price will drop each day just because time is passing. In simple terms, theta is known as time decay. Every single day that goes by, your option loses a little bit of value, even if the stock price doesn't move. Let's say you own an option worth $2 and it has a theta of negative 0.05. That means tomorrow, all else equal, your option will be worth around $1.95. Why? Because the clock is ticking towards the option's expiration. The closer you get to expiration, the faster theta takes away your options value. So who cares about theta? Well, option buyers, they usually hate theta. Why? Because time decay eats away the premium they paid. Option sellers, they love theta. They're hoping time passes without big price moves so they can keep the premium they collected. A few quick tips about theta. Time decay is slow at first, but speeds up dramatically in the last few weeks or days before expiration. Short-term options lose value faster than longer-term options. Even if a stock stands still, your option value can drop because of theta. So that's theta in a nutshell. Remember, time is money in options trading. Whether you're buying or selling options, always keep theta in mind. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your questions about options trading in the comments. And thanks for watching. See you next time.